So later on in the future, in the next modules, you will have to work with the real chatbot, with the AI chatbot, using your voice, right? It's a little bit advanced in the future, but I'm sure that you will be able to do that. So right now, we want to see how we can break down this chatbot a little bit using text, right? So we will do a text-based chatbot, meaning that our chatbot using keyboard, right? So let me help you first on how we can do this in a very abstract way or small way, and after that it will be your exercise, all right? So let's go to the okay, let's come here to your own collab notebook. So let me show you how we can do a basic chatbot, right?
Okay.
How we can enter the data from the keyboard, right? To enter the data from the keyboard, we have a useful function called input, right? Input, I'll show you this function, it's called input, right? It's a very useful function to grab text from keyboard, right? So if you say input like this, and then run, you see that we have now a text box. In this text box, you can say anything. You can type anything. Done. Right? Hi. Okay? So if I want to store the value of this input, I can assign a variable, right? I can put a variable first. Let's say text. Text equal to input, right? Then I run input. Then I type a text. Oh, hi. This is me. Okay. Then after I finish, I press enter. Done. Then if hi, this is me is stored inside text, right? Now text, what is the value of text? Hi, this is me. So if I print text, what will show? Hi, this is me. Because input, it will grab the data from your keyboard, then assign, store into text. Then later, if you want to print text, it will show the same value. Okay? So we can do something like this. Let's combine if-else, right? So let's do something like this. Follow me. Let's say data, or let's say text also. Text, right? Text equal to input. Then that's it, right? You can also have a message with the input. For example, let's say this is a chatbot who want to ask how are you, right? Or you want to ask the chatbot how are you, right? So then if we have this, if text equal to how are you, then we print okay, thank you. Right? So you input the text, you can see the text. Input from where? From your keyboard. Go into text. Then I just have to if else. If text equal to how are you? Then print I'm okay. Thank you. So let's try. So we have the things. So what we should say? How are you, right? How are you? Itu? I'm okay, thank you. Right? So we can have another condition. Say if, remember last time? If text equal. How old are you? How old are you? Then we can print the answer. I am. How old are you guys? 14. I'm 14 years old. Right? So, then another condition, if text equal to, let's say, what is your favorite color? What is your favorite color? Right? Then print red, for example. Right? So let's try. If you run, so if you say, how are you? What will come out? I'm okay, thank you. If you run again, let's say, how old are you? How old are you? The answer is, I'm 14 years old. And then let's run again. If you ask, what is your favorite color? What is your... See there, the text must be exactly the same. If I say, what is your color? What is your color? Do we have here, what is your color? Do we have? What is your color? No, right? We have, what is your favorite color, right? We don't have, what is your color? So if I say, what is your color? Nothing will come out. If I say also, let's say, what is your name? Then also nothing will come out, right? I need to add those conditions. So let's say about name, elif, text, equal, what is your name? So let's say my name, or print about, my name is Nasr, let's say, right? So I run, try again, what is your name? So my name is Nasr, right? So right now you can see, every time we want to get the answer, we need to run again. Every time you run again. You want to ask another question, you need to run again. So to avoid this, we can use loops, right? We learned loop, right? We learned loops before. So we can put everything inside one loop, right? So we can come here, go to the top, copy everything, right? Copy. Then let's move to next cell. Make a new cell, new code cell, and let's say while true. While true, macam apa? Yesterday, while true is loop forever, right? Loop forever. Okay, while true. Then, like this, then we are inside the while true loop. So we can paste whatever we copy from top, paste, right? Make sure the indentation is correct, right? So we have one big while loop there. Then inside the loop, we have text, right? Let me Let me highlight for you. Alright. So we have, this is the while loop. This is the while loop, right? So whatever here will loop forever. So what we have here? First, we grab text from keyboard. We store into variable name. What is the variable name? Text, right? So we grab data from keyboard, store into text. Then we check. If text is how are you, then we say, I'm okay, thank you. Else if check is how old are you, then we say, I'm 14 years old. Else if text is what is your favorite color, then we say red. Else if what is your, and then you can add whatever, like how many questions you can add, right? You can add as long as you can, right? Then let's try to run this. So now we have it running forever. So now we are here. You see the green arrow, the small green arrow. It shows that the code now is here, waiting for your response, right? So let's say, what is your name? What is your name? It says, my name is Nasr. And then ask again. Open for question again. So let's say, what is your favorite color? Then you say red. Then we can ask again. Let's say, how old are you? Then you can see it says that I'm 14 years old. So we have a simple text-based chatbot, right? We can chat with this, right? So we can put your answers, and you can put your questions, and you can ask, you get the answer, right? Now you can make things a little bit more complicated, slowly, and you can add division, or sorry, you can add mathematics, right? Let's say we want to combine two numbers together. Let's say we want to combine two numbers together. Let's say 11, right? Text equal. Please. Okay. What is? Okay. What is 5 plus 3? What is 5 plus 3? Then print. We say the answer is 5 plus 3 is 8, right? The answer is 8, right? So then we want to make sure that we can escape, right? So if text equal, let's say quick, right? Quick, then we break. Kalau we type quick in the keyboard, we break from the loop, right? So let's try. So running. What is 5 plus 3? Okay, the answer is 8. And let's say quick. So quick, finish, done. I could finish, right? So you can see here we have an issue here. What is 5 plus 8? It's already fixed to 5. 5 plus 3. It is already fixed to 5 and 3, right? We cannot change. So I wanted to use function in this, right? Maybe we can call a function to make addition, right? So let's do a small function, right? How to start making a function? We start with D E F, yeah, def, and let's say add, right? And then here we say number A, just like last time. Then we can say print or say return A plus B. Okay, return A plus B. Okay. So if you want to make it flexible, we can change. Instead of what is 5 plus 3, we can say add 5 to 3, right? So add. But we cannot really say text equal. We need to make it more clever, more smarter than this, right? So please focus with me. This is very important here. Instead of saying text equal, we can look at the membership that we learned yesterday, right? Yesterday we have membership operator in, right? In. So if add in text, if add in text, then we do the rest. We do this. We try to find what is the number. So my question will be like this. My questions will be like this. Add 5 to 3, right? Add 5 to 3. Okay. So here, if add in text, because this is the full text. Remember, this is the full text. If add is in text, then let's try to find the two numbers. We want to extract this one and this one, right? So we can say, okay, let's make it more simple, right? Let's make it like this. If text equal add, then we say print or input again. Input first number, then also B input second number. Right? Then we got the result from here. Result are equal to add A, B. Then the answer is, we can say, R. Okay. Then if we say like this, if you run it, then say, let's say add. Then first number, asking for first number. Say first number is 7. Enter. Second number, let's say 9. Right? Then the answer is 7, 9. You know why it's become like this? The add become like this, 7, 9 together, which is wrong. Because data type is what? Data type is string. Okay, I think I'm going too fast. Let me slow down. Alright. Okay. Can you guys focus with me on this part here? On this part. Alright? So this one easy, this part okay? This part okay? Semua okay? So let's discuss this part. Right? LF text equal add. Okay. If we say add, then we have this condition. So inside A equal to input first number. Right? You can actually use a message inside input. So it will say first number. Right? Then we have the input stored in, the first number will store in A, but it will be in string. We need to convert to integer, to number. So I say like this, int A, here, int A, then int B. Alright? Okay, slowly. So first, our text is, first is what? Add. After we say add, it will say, oh, what is the first number? Then I give the first number. Let's say 7. 7 stored in A. A, but in string. The format, string. Then second number. I say, for example, 9. 9 stored in B, also string. So later when I use my function add, which is here, I already defined up there, right? So add int A, comma int B. Need to change to int. This one you can find in the book, in the something called casting. Let me find the page. Model number 2, in the beginning, right, in the data type, page number 30, you can see that we have the data types. So we have integer, float, and string. So you know that we cannot add two strings. So we need to convert to integer. In order to convert to integer, we use int A, and int B to change the text from your keyboard from text to integer. Okay? Then, when we run this, so let's say add. Okay, to say what is the first number? Let's say 5. Then what is the second number? Let's say also 5. Then the answer is 10. Then I add again. Okay, what is the first number? Let's say 4. Then the second number, let's say 9. So we have 13. You already got it? Already? Okay. Right? This is very necessary for your chatbot to convert the string data to integer data. Okay? To be able to convert from string to integer using the casting mechanism, int A, int B. Right? Okay? I think you are doing very well. So, let's discuss the exercise. So in the exercise, you are tasked to make a text-based chatbot, right? Task number 1, create a text-based chatbot using Python that interacts with the user and performs the following operations, right? You can ask the user about the name, like before, you can ask the name, how are you, what is your favorite color, what's your hobbies, right? And they can give the answer. And also we can add two numbers together. We can add two numbers, or can divide, or can do this, or can do that, right? If you are really interested also, you can maybe take a picture. You can type for your text chatbot, take a picture. Then you call the function from image, or the function from capture image, right? Or something like that. Or flip the image. Or let's say record audio. Or change the audio pitch, right? Something like that. So I give you around 30 minutes, 30 minutes to 45 minutes, right? I want you to perform on task number 1, and the first 2 individuals or teams, up to you, you can work in teams, you can work individually. The first 2 will got these prizes, right? So your time start now. It's 11. So 11, around 11:30 or 11:45? 45 minutes or 30 minutes? 45, all right. 45 minutes, and then we meet up. And I will be around you, and our friends also will be around you, right? So I will try to answer your questions if you have any. Yes. Remember, it's a chatbot, right? So you want to make it like a chatbot. You ask a question, and the Python will return the answer. You ask a question, and the Python will return the answer. Any question you want, no problem. Okay, while some of you are working, I will try to explain again the addition part, right? For those who did not understand the addition part, please focus with me here, right? Please focus with me here. All right. Let's say we have a variable. Anyone can name a variable? Any name? Any name? Name a variable. X. X equal to input, right? Then if I run this, what will happen? If I run this, what will happen? If I run this, a text box will appear, right? We have a text box, right? So we can add our text here. Hi, right? Make sense? All right. If I print text, what will happen? So first, it will allow you to write first. Let's say hi, or let's say number 6, right? We type number 6, and then I press enter. Then print 6, right? So now 6 is inside X. X value above. What's the value of X? Now 6, right? Is 6 integer or string? So some say integer, some say string. Let's see what is inside, right? Let's see what is inside. So dalam Python ada satu function nama dia type, right? We can say print type X, right? Type X, type genus, right? X genus apa? So we can say like this X, and then let's say number 5, and then we enter, and then it says the class str, string, right? Walaupun ini number, tapi keluar from your keyboard is always string. Okay, from your keyboard is coming always string. So we need to change. So we need to change x from string to integer, right? So we have here, let's say y. Y equal to int x. Int function dia apa? What's the function of int? Huh? Integer, right? Convert to integer. Function of int is to convert to integer, right? So ada satu x, jenis dia apa? String. Y, jenis dia apa? Integer, right? So if we print x and type x, and if we print y and type y together, right? Same, both are the same. So we run, right? Here we have the text box, and then we say number 4, then enter. Now you can see here, the first one, x is 4. Tapi kelas dia string. But y is also 4. Value dia also 4. Tapi type dia apa? Integer, right? Integer dengan integer boleh math. Math boleh. Boleh, right? Kalau string boleh math. Is it okay to say Ahmad plus Nasr? Is it plain? Is it okay? Is it okay to add text to text? Does it have meaning? Cannot, right? So it should be like this. Let's say 4 plus 3, right? This one okay, right? 4 plus 3 okay, right? But Ahmad plus Nasr, is that okay? No, right? So what is if we do like this? 4 plus 3. This is okay? No. This is string. This one cannot. Alright? Because it is type string. But still 4. But this one, the green one is integer. Right? Let's see this one. Print 3 plus 4. Value dia apa? 3 plus 4. 7, right? Run. 7. Any problem? No problem. Let's say this one. 4 plus 3. Tak boleh, right? If you run, it become like this. Wrong. Become 4 dengan 3. Side by side. That's the meaning of plus in string. It's very wrong. Right? So we make sure this is integer. So we say int 4 and int 3. int 4 and int 3. So become 7 again. We convert from string to integer, right? Because your keyboard always string. Okay? Make sense? Make sense? Alright. So this should help you to convert. Because A, we come here, A and B, tapi dia string. So nak convert from A to integer. A from string to integer, and B from string to integer. Then we do jump. This one, the addition or tambah. Okay, we do the tambah here in the function. You can do it here down there also, no problem. Right? Understood? Is it clear? This one clear? the string integer clear. Alright, very good. So make sure you make your chatbot responsive, always running. Put it inside the while loop, right? And you can ask the questions and give back the answers. So within these 30 minutes, I want to see something unique. I want to see something different, right? Don't just copy the same, right? I hope that I to see something different. Maybe you can make full calculator with add, subtract, division, multiplication.
What your favorite fruit?
So you can add as many questions as you can, up to your creativity.
Kataannya betul dia my hobby is reading. My hobby is reading. My hobby is reading. Yang hobby lupa bahasa isteri dia. Yang tu bila buat semua foto tu.
Dapat itu
Tak boleh cikgu sih sama saja. Bagaimana buat soalan sendiri? Yang namanya nak energi tapi yang
ya. Apa kita bebek kita jadi bebek terus mutlak terus ini jangan jadi cancel.
All right. So I think, sorry, I think we did well for this task. I'm really interested in this team here. What's the name of this school? What's the name of this school here? What's the name of this school? Mara, Gemara, Agamara, Agama Arab, Agama Arab. All right. So Agama Arab did something very interesting. I want them. Come, bring your laptop. Clap for your friends here. Yeah, come, show your code. Come, let's run your code. All right. So let's take a look at your friend's code here. And maybe you can explain a bit about your code to your friends. The floor is yours. All right, I can see what he did here. He did something very interesting. So let's see. All right, let's see what is it. Right, try to run. So what can your chatbot do? Can you zoom in? Yeah. Try to. Okay, great. All right. Maybe can you close this? Nice. All right, so you can ask, how are you? And then say, okay, thank you. So what else? What else you can do? All right, so you can do math. All right, so we have extract, subtract, division, or multiplication. So let's try subtract. Okay, so for example, nine. Okay. Second number, 6. And the result is 3. Okay. Can you do multiplication? Very nice. So for example, let's say 2. Multiply by 4. Yeah, it's 8. So very nice. So he done a full calculator here with addition, subtraction, division, and multiplication. Very, very nice. Clap for your friends here. Oh, you have something extra. All right. He said you have something more. Who creates you? All right. Okay, yes, I was created by a human named Muhammad Ihsan. That's your name. These are your team members. Very nice. Very nice. We have them all here. Very nice, very nice. Your team did very well. I think I would like to ask Mr. Rizal to present the gift for our friends here and team members. So clap for your friends here from Sekolah Agama. Very nice. All right, thank you much. I hope this was interesting. So, can take a look. So, as you can see, we hover on text-based chatbot. So we learn how to make a simple chatbot. And the other task you can do at home, right? You can try at home to upgrade your chatbot a little bit with recording audio, taking pictures, manipulating pictures, change color, change the orientation, flip, all right? You can try that at home to fuse or add the camera and microphone to your chatbot, okay? So that's all for module number 2. And the rest, I'm sure that you can do this at home. Task number 2, I think you can do it. And after that, you will go to the real chatbot with your voice for module number 3. So that was, yeah, basically that was all for module 2. Let's do a small recap, right? So we start with Google Colab. Right? So we introduce Google Colab. Now you know how to deal with Google Colab, how to write code in it, how to make notes in it, right? Then we learn about introduction to Python, right? About the syntax, variables, data type. You know now what's the difference between string and integer, right? You can add string, but you cannot add. You can add integer, but you cannot add string, right? Very good. And now you can do else if or what do you call it? Conditional statements, if and else, and you can combine it with a loop, so your code can loop for many times or for forever until you break it. And then you can use math libraries as we saw before, using math and using other Python libraries. And we learned how to use, how to implement the microphone and camera with your Python code. And at the end, you did this joyful exercise. So thank you very much. I will now pass the time, or the next time for the module number 3. Module number 3. Yeah, module number 3 with Mr. Flah. And so, I'm not sure, is there a break in between or is just continue? Or just continue. All right. So, our friend here, Mr. Farah, will continue for module number 3. Thank you very much.
Ya, kita tak buat semua program kita sejuk kan. Pakai ni lah. Share ni juga. Semua bagi dia kau. Share. Stop dulu kita buku masak ni. Kita pakai baju bau lah.